ingredient to being a good innovator, I think, is being observant. Found that the people in the organization that I most admired and wanted to be like were the doctors, and what they could do felt different to me.
Because we believe that when you try to address wait times, you should do it in a way that benefits everyone, not just people who can afford to pay.
We can do amazing things in Canadian healthcare. We can build innovative projects that will change the whole landscape